Hello friends, I'm back here for explaining you zinc sulfate qualitative analysis, class 11th chemistry practical, and I am here class 11 student Sujata Priya. Okay, as I told you that zinc sulfate is present, so let us proceed with the procedures. For anion, you have to prepare sodium carbonate extract. Take a test tube, one part of the given salt, one spatula take in a test tube, then 2 spatula of sodium carbonate, add distilled water, boil and filter, then you will find the sodium carbonate extract. After preparing sodium carbonate extract, proceed with the other, that means one by one anions. You will get precipitate in sulfate only. So I will explain for sulfate procedure how you will get to know that it is sulfate. Sulfate, for that take a test tube, add small amount of sodium carbonate extract in it, pour it, that means, and add hydrogen chloride, then barium chloride solution. You will find white precipitate which is insoluble in mineral acids, that means presence of sulfate is confirmed. For cations, you have to follow the group separation and also you have to prepare original solution. For original solution, there are three methods. One method is the given salt and distilled water. If it dissolves, I think commonly the salts which are given usually for class 11, they dissolves in distilled water only. But if it is not for you, then proceed with the other two methods. Take a salt and add a dilute HCl. Within seconds it will dissolve. And other method is take a salt and add dilute HNO3. After dissolving, that means after getting the original solution, proceed with the group 0 and other groups also, but I will not explain this one because I told you before that zinc is present, so I will proceed with the zinc procedure. The group separation, I have came here. Find group 1, you will not get any precipitate. Group 2 precipitate you will also not get. Group 3 also you will not get. Group 4 you will get. And also in group 4, when you will get the 2 precipitate, the black you will find the nickel and white precipitate is for zinc. So how to get that precipitate? Take a test tube, add a small amount of original solution with ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, then hydrogen sulfide H2S. After filtering, you will find precipitate. Which color precipitate you get? That if you get a black or buff, that means flesh like how you get the chicken type, the fleshy, you will get white, or dull white precipitate if you get, then group 4 is present. If you get the dull white precipitate, then analysis of group 4 is take that dull white precipitate, because you get it in that dull white precipitate, you must take care of this amount of how much amount you are pouring in it for dissolving. Okay, um, the dilute HCl quantity should be there. How much should be in it? If you don't put the quantity which is needed, then you will not get the precipitate for zinc, that is bluish white and greenish white precipitate will not get, because I have also experienced that. I didn't get, and my teacher explained me what is the reason, because of the dilute HCl quantity is not correct, which I have done in my practical. So don't do that. Then after dissolving, add K4FeCN6 solution. You will find bluish white or greenish white precipitate. Okay, then that means zinc is confirmed. Presence of zinc is confirmed. That's all for my this video. That was okay. Thank you. Bye bye.